Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Thuong. I'm living in Danang City, Vietnam. Don't go to Danang in October before you watch this video. Hey guys, in today's video, we will explore Danang City on a rainy day, and I will show you why you should not come to Danang right now. Danang is a city in central Vietnam. Every year, during the rainy season, from September to November, there are at least 2 storms every year. Especially in October, almost every day is rain. We are walking in Central District about 1 kilometer from the beach. This area is currently okay, but the downtown area is flooded. Many stores had to close. Water floods into houses, forcing many people to evacuate to other safe areas. If you come to Danang in October, you cannot cycling due to continuous rain. Many tourist destinations such as Bana Hill, the roads to get there were flooded, or Hoi An and Sơn Town were also flooded. The highway path roads from Danang to Hue City were also broke due to landslide. Maybe from November, everything will be better. Back to my own story. I have lived here for 2 years. On October 14 last year, my grandmother passed away. I booked a train ticket to my hometown, but due to continuous heavy rain, the roads were flooded, and the roads to Highway Pass were blocked due to landslides. My train was cancelled. This is just an example to say that traveling to Danang in October is not a good choice. Today I went out to film some walking video for my walking channel and bought some rainy day provision. Yes, I finished the 2 walking video, and yes, the weather, the rain, little, the light. It is light rain now and have a thunder. I think I will finish walking video here, and yeah, turn back my apartment is something, yeah. During I walking, yeah, I saw some people, they sell fried banana cake. This is very good smell and I want to eat. Follow me to buy fried banana cake and some drink. Hey, I turned back to market and now I'm finding a coconut juice. It started rain again and you can see the market is finished now and just a few people they clean there. Oh, heavy rain again. Oh my gosh. Oh, I found a coconut store. Look. There. This Chị ơi có bán dừa không? Chị ơi cho em một quả dừa. Em về à? Dừa non ý chị. Dạ có. Then they sell coconut, banana, orange. And she will cut coconut for me. So yummy. Cô ơi, bánh chuối, chị ơi, bánh chuối chiên bán sao chị? Cho em 2 cái ạ. Cái dài dài này đúng không? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, we're learning now. Heavy rain. Oh my gosh. Hi everyone again. I'm at home. Yeah. A little tired. I walked about 2 hours 20 minutes. Yes. Yeah. This is coconut juice. Uh-oh. Yep. And yeah. And this one is a fried banana cake. I will show you. Look. Yeah. Look. It's so yummy and still hot. Oh my god. As you can see, there are some coconut here. Oh, nice. And this one another type of banana cake. A little one, not hot. No, it's okay. And they give me some tissue paper. I don't know. Yuck. And last is itadakimasu. I'm so hungry. Yeah. good smell. This one is okay. I will try another. Yeah. You can see. Oh. Oh. You can hear that? That is a strong wind, and my door is working now. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and yes, today is not too much food, just working and show you how was I work. Thank you and see you next video. Bye.